Guys, it's me again filming a video, and this time it's gonna be a room tour. Now I remember shooting a room tour back when I was like in first year of college, but now I'm in my I was in second year of college, but now I'm in my fourth year of college, and here's a quick room tour. I'm just gonna like quickly remove this thing. I don't have a curtain, so मैंने bed sheet लगा के रखा है. Let me flip the camera and show you how the room looks like. Alright, this is the entrance. I still remember back in first year we were running a chatbot startup, and all of these things are just from notes from those startups, right? So people we want to pitch, people just go we have to sell. So these are some task lists, these are some email IDs, and these are some people we want to give a demo of our product. So this is nostalgic, so I thought I'll just film this so that later on when I'm old, when I'm 50 years old, I can like look back and rejoice and be like bachpan mein main kitna khas tha. These are my shoes and all of that. I'm just staying on campus for 2 months, so I didn't see the reason to like keep it all properly. वो वैसे भी गंदा ही है. There's a carpet, this is my bed, there's a towel, this is like a pretty messy bed, whatever. That's a poster of some anime that one of my friends gave. That's me. And this is the view from inside. It's nothing much. बस एक toilet दिखता है यहाँ से. This is a whiteboard that I stole from a friend. This is my bag, and here's my setup. So this is the Android phone that I have. So our mobile app is on Android, so I need to like test things out over here. Here's my laptop and speaker. I also got a monitor because it really helps to have 2 screens, like यहाँ पे Notion में कुछ लिखो और यहाँ पे meetings attend करो. There's a lamp which also changes color, and I find that pretty cool. I recently got a new JBL speaker, and this really helps me calm down, wind down, relax. There's a plane passing by, तो बहुत आवाज़ आएगा. Bits Goa में the bad part is every 20 minutes there's a plane passing by, so I'll wait for some time. Can you hear that? Yes, that's a plane. It's a plane landing. The airport is like pretty close. It's just like 5 minutes away from this place. This is some protein ka chips जो मैंने खरीद के रखा है because I definitely need some protein. These are some books. So if anyone from Bitsko is watching, if you want to buy these electronics ka books of second year, please buy it off me. I have no use of these books. Please खरीद लो. These are some creams that my dermatologist gave me, which I don't use. This is toothpaste, brush, all of that essential stuff. And this is a ring light, which is just there in the middle. And I use it during calls. So if you guys take video calls, definitely buy a ring light. Helps you look better on video calls, right? Else बहुत गंदे दिखते हो. Most cameras like aren't that great. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the view from inside. I'll just show you how it looks from the outside. And this is the view from outside. There's a staircase. And that's the common room where you can have a TT table and a carom board and a television. It's another view. I'll finally give you a tour of the hostel from this place. That's my friend Abiza. Abiza! Nothing. I was filming you. And finally, no room tour is complete without the bathroom tour. So here's how that looks like. Blah 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 blah. Someone left their hand wash here, which really helps because मुझे मेरी hand wash use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. I just use this hand wash. So whoever kept it, thank you so much. Someone else also kept their hand wash here. That's my friend Vishal. I came all the way running.
I'm joker, bro. I have to shave first.
Yeah, that's my friend Vishal. He's one of the smartest people in Bitsko. He has a 10 CG.
Okay, bro.
And this is his
behind
room.
The camera.
This is his room. He has a wonderful chair. He has a wonderful gaming laptop. He works at Postman, and he's rich as. Vishal said that I did not publicize his room properly, so here's another advertisement of his room. Your switches don't work, bro.
It takes time.
He's too
All
clean,
everything
so
is-
I have to take my chappals off. And this is one of the most gorgeous beds I've ever seen. This room is way cleaner than mine, as you can see. He has a lot of good stuff. He has a kettle, he has a stand, he has a beautiful view from where he can see other guys changing. He has a whiteboard, he has a pretty cool monitor which he doesn't use. And he also has some clothes inside his cupboard. Wow, it's all well folded.
Fixing my cupboard.
That's Vishal's room tour. Vishal, you're amazing.
You too, bro.
That's pretty much it for the room tour. That's the room tour of me, my friends, and the bathroom. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.